Zay, hello. I hope everyone had a good December and the holidays. Spent it with family or friends, or if you were alone, that's also fine. I was a few thousand kilometers away from my friends and family, so no biggie. Got some unboxing to do, specifically the INGCO. Here we are. Automatic pump control, and then of course the pump. We'll start with the pump control since it's on at the top. And this is gonna make the shower even better because we're working here with a borehole, so there's no like city water pressure. We need to get our own pressure here. The previous one, I don't know, just given up on it. I don't even want to try and fix it anymore. Oh, it's got something inside. The set button, good. So I assume this goes into the water pump. You just need to. I have no idea where to connect it. Where would the wires be? Obviously needs its own wires. I have to open it, I guess. Get it. You can't just plug it in. Obviously not. That's not gonna work. Well, the quality looks good. It's a little plasticky. As long as it's strong plastic, it obviously doesn't matter. So it's a 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, starting pressure of 1.5 bar, and a max pressure of 10 bar. That's big. Max current is 10A, max temperature 60 degrees. So we're not gonna pump hot water with it. We're just gonna pump the borehole tank, the JoJo tank that's there at the top. That will be circulated with this thing to the houses. Yeah. It's very plasticky, but it should be fine. It's already better than the old one that's there. That's the one I wanted to get, but then I decided to rather get the full pressure pump with the automatic pump control rather than just the small one that you connect to the pipes. I just feel it's more future-proof going for the big thing. And then this is also a brand, I have no idea if it's good or not. They're popping up everywhere. The people in the hardware store seem to like them a lot, but I don't know. I'm a Ryobi fan, remember? But I haven't seen Ryobi pressure pumps, so we'll move on. Ou maak mens hierdie ding oop. It's not inside, it's on top. Okay. So here we've got the VPM 7508 INGCO water pump, 750 watt, 1 horsepower. The horse is strong. Just hope this thing isn't as plastic as that other one. We'll have to wait and see, I guess. There. Oh, it's like heavy. See, this one you can see the wires. so it's going to be easy to connect. Just going to replace it with the old one. Even shows you which one is the earth, just in case you don't know. And then that's some people don't know. And then shows you a bunch of different products. We don't care about that. So I'm going to assume you put in the automatic pressure, you'll put in here. You'll put in the main water probably in here. No idea. We'll sort it out as soon as we install it. And then you're set to go, I assume. So we'll probably put it in like this. We'll get the... This one's really... looks really good. It's not plastic at all. It looks like it's die cast. $50 a minute. That's lekker. That's a lot. 50 liter a minute. I wonder if the borehole can even do 50 liter a minute. There we go. This little plastic thing. So the hardware places I went to, you can buy this, but you can't buy this. They sell a different one for some reason. They sell this one. They sell all the other INGCO products, but they don't sell the INGCO pressure pump. But they do sell the controller. But let's see. This one will probably, if I'm just gonna wing it now, the main water pipe will come in here. Right? So this one should go in here. Not going. Okay, you just have to force it a little bit. That's not gonna work because we need this bit open, so we need to tilt it more. I just have to push it back then, like this. I hope we'll have to make sure it doesn't leak, obviously. So I don't know what this is, but I assume that the water's gonna come in here and it's gonna go out here. I assume. And I have no idea what these little things are for. Unless this is the power. This is probably where you're gonna install the power. Connect the power in here probably. I'm not gonna open it now because just now I break it. I have a tendency of breaking things. I'd rather have to read the manual. But it looks good. We'll have to do a video of how we install it, obviously, and then we'll have it run. We'll have a shower, and we'll see how it goes. Because we need the water to go far away now. So we're building a shower all the way on the other side of the main house, which is about twice or 3 times the distance of the shower we have now. And that shower is already quite pathetic. Yeah, it looked good. It wasn't bad priced as well. It's under 2,000 rand for both of these components. It was a package deal on Takealot. So both of them together was under 2,000 rand. I think it was 1,008 or something, which isn't that bad considering the prices other people ask for the same thing. I think the main thing would just be if this INGCO brand is good. Because like I've said, I really don't know them, and I don't have any power tools with them. I know they make a lot of power tools these days, but I don't have any of them. Just chuck that in there. Close it up real good. And yeah, I think that's it. So on the videos to come, we'll do an installation of this one. I'll be replacing the old one with this one. We'll also play around with the old one, see if we can fix it. Maybe we can make it useful. Maybe you can use it for a fountain or just for garden irrigation or something. And then this like automatic one should make my life a lot more luxurious here on the farm. if you're used to the city for 15, if you're used to the city for like 30 years, you get used to the water pressure. It's a big adjustment to all of a sudden not have any water pressure. But we'll get there. When we're done, we'll have city life away from the city. So, next videos, we'll install this bad boy, and then we'll build the shower. Shower videos also still to come. We're doing lights, we're doing a gate, and we're doing fencing. Obviously, you can't just have a gate and just people just walk around the gate. It needs to be fencing. And that is it. Flight. The story is uit.